National Boot Camp is over, baby. And now it is the time for the freedom fighters to be set loose.
So go out there, y'all, and win by changing your life.
We are armed, we are trained, we're mobilized, we're fired up, we are motivated, baby.
A good soldier fights to win the battle, but a great leader builds an army to win the war.
We are attacking poverty and crushing mediocrity across this great nation.
Fired up out of my mind. My hair's on fire. Let's go, Alliance!
America ain't never seen nothing like this.
I am the magic in this business, baby. I am the master of my fate, baby. I am the one. If it's up to be, it's up to me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Legacy is the name of the game. Here we go. It's on like Donkey Kong. Let's go.